Is Google is replaced by artificial intelligence? Maybe yes. The ChatGPT, DALI and the Lensa is the today trending topic in the social media and the media focusing that. So if you have the problem, we go to YouTube and Google for solving the problem and observing it and do it manually. Now it's replaced by artificial intelligence. What the problem you have, you go and type into the ChatGPT, it will give the solution. Okay, so if you have the problem in the coding, you collect your code and put into the ChatGPT, it will give the exact solution. It's not working as a surfing the internet and give the solution. It's everything based on training. The training according to that data, everything it's act as fast in that ChatGPT. So we know about the DALI and that Lensa. It will the photo, it will collect your photo and whatever you can type in that chat, it will make according to that. Whatever the text I need to head with the burger, it will create, it will replace the Photoshop. Okay, that's it. That's the artificial intelligence today dominating. Maybe it will dominate the Google future. What's your comment? Comment below. Thank you.